Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add attachments to your project sheets and dashboards on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. Navigate to your project workspace on Smartsheet. Let me go with this one here. And inside your workspace, what you want to do is left click into the given sheet you would like to edit. So let me go with this one here. And after that, you will see your sheet here with all its tasks and so on and so forth. And here to the right, you will see that panel, guys. And amongst these options, you will see the attachment option with that paperclip icon. Click into it. And that is going to open up that menu here. So you may, for example, drag and drop a file from your device to upload it. Or you may simply click into this button here. And after that, select upload a file and navigate to it on your device, or upload it from Google Drive, from OneDrive, Dropbox, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, super straightforward, and that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.